And in this timeline, scientists discovered how to harness living tissue for computation before the development of electronic computers, leading humanity down a very different technological path. The first biological computers processed information through living neural networks, creating organic processors that learned and adapted like natural brains. Cities evolved to incorporate living technology, where buildings themselves became part of a vast organic computing network. Manufacturing transformed as biological systems grew and shaped products, creating a sustainable and adaptable production process. Transportation systems became living networks, with organic computers coordinating movement through neural interfaces. The education evolved to embrace biological computing, teaching students to work with living technology rather than electronic systems. Resource management became a living process, with biological computers optimizing usage and distribution naturally. And a new kind of technological civilization emerged, where the line between biology and computing disappeared, creating a truly living network of information and control.